Today we learn about indoor plants vocabulary. Let's start. Peacock plant. Peacock plant. Jade plant. Jade plant. Gigi plant. Gigi plant. Cylindrical plant. Cylindrical plant. African mask. African mask. Christmas cactus. Christmas cactus. Star cactus. Star cactus. Ox tongue plant. Ox tongue plant. Echeveria. Echeveria. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Bilberry cactus. Bilberry cactus. Bonsai. Bonsai. Agave. Agave. Century plant. Century plant. Coleus. Coleus. Croton. Croton. Caladium plant. Caladium plant. Cycas plant. Cycas plant. Dieffenbachia. Dieffenbachia. Begonia plant. Begonia plant. Chinese evergreen. Chinese evergreen. Dumpkin. Dumpkin. Alocasia plant. Alocasia plant. Inch plant. Inch plant. Boxwood plant. Boxwood plant. Ponytail plant. Ponytail palm. Prickly pear. Prickly pear. Saguaro cactus. Saguaro cactus. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, share and subscribe.